मेरा नाम एकता प्रियदर्शनी है और मैं झारखंड से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मैंने डिप्लोमा किया था इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग में गवर्नमेंट वुमेंस पॉलिटेक्निक से बोकारो झारखंड इन 2021, and after that my brother suggested me to go to the Evision TechnoServe because Evision TechnoServe is an excellent e-learning platform for a fresher or working professional and which wants to join the IT sector career. That is best platform. And I had joined the Evision in September for OJT program, and then I got a job from IDEMIA with an offer of 2.6 LPA, and the trainer are very highly experienced in the respective domain. And the Evision TechnoServe is the online job internship for a fresher or any IT professional which have a basic knowledge of networking and any streams of engineering. They are offering the IT sectors to go to the IT sectors. And the eVision is also providing the IT sectors oriented training for a fresher. So thank you Vision for a great job internship and all the recruiter to handle all the things. So thank you, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.